How to get cash from Milestone Credit Card. Welcome to Let Me Help, and let's get right into this tutorial. To get your cash from your Milestone Credit Card, there are basically two ways to do so. Firstly, through an ATM. You can use your Milestone card and PIN at any ATM that accepts MasterCard. Make sure you know your cash advance PIN beforehand. If you don't have one, you can call Milestone customer service at 800-958-255-6 to request one. If not, you can even visit a bank or credit union. Some of the banks and credit union allow cash advances on MasterCard network. You will need your Milestone card and a government-issued ID for verification. Also make sure that Milestone charges a cash advance fee of 5% with a minimum of $5 for each transaction. There's also a separate cash advance APR, that is interest rate, that applies to the cash advance amount from the day you withdraw it. We hope that you found this video informative and helpful to you. Thank you so much for tuning in.